Hi, it's Lynette here, and today I have my unboxing of my Latestinbeauty. Now, I've opened the box just so I could go through the prices for you, because this box, even missing one item, has come to £168.75, which I think is amazing. So I just wanted to go through the products one by one and tell you a little bit about them. Latestinbeauty you used to be able to get 3 different types of subscriptions. Now the only way you could keep those is if you stayed on as a member. All new members only get 6 items, but I think it's at a reduced price, which is really good. But I chose to stick with my 9 items for £18, so that's what I get every month. So this month I was really confused because I did have 9 items, but one of them I knew I didn't order. So I contacted one of my pals, Jo, and she had said, oh, everybody got that, I think it's a freebie. I knew I hadn't ordered it. So anyway, I got in touch with them. I think I found the item that was missing. So they're usually quite good at sending things to you, even if they've run out. But I thought, I can't believe they've substituted an item, but they haven't. It's just missing from my box. So the first thing I've got is the Skin Sense by Cleave. Now this is anti-aging purifying double cleanse. It's a 2-in-1 cleansing and caring solution, and that was £28. Now it clarifies your pores, delivers plant oils and butters to the skin enriched with essential vitamins, actives and hydration, leaving the skin soothed, hydrated and comfortable. Now sometimes this is how to use it. Wet the skin and apply a small amount to the face, neck and décolleté. Massage gently and rinse with warm water. So I'm looking forward to trying this. Now there isn't like a best before date or anything, but sometimes what happens is brands change their packaging, and I think that's why Latestinbeauty have received this, because when I looked online the packaging looked slightly different. But anyway, the product inside's fine, and you've got a year from the date that you open it, which I think is fantastic. So that's 200 mils, so that should keep me going a while. So there it is there. So you get anti-aging with double cleanse, £28, that's fantastic. The box cost me 18 and already, you know, it's paid for the first item. The next one out is another Skin Sense by Cleave. It's a highly potent night cream, and there's 50 mils, and that was £34. So it says it's rich and highly potent night cream to revitalise and intensely hydrate the skin overnight. So it's got a unique formula with patented lamellar technology, replenishes the skin after exposure to the environment aggressors, and delivers long-lasting, hydrated and healthy glowing skin. It says dermatologically tested. However, I was watching a programme the other night there, and to make that claim, all it means is that they've tested it on skin. So they could have just tested it on one person's skin. It doesn't mean it's gone through a dermatologist, which I kind of thought it had, but it just meant it's been tested on skin. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying that. I'm going to take it out the packaging. Oh, packaging's quite, I'm not sure what I think of the packaging, but I think it's quite nice. It's got the silver, shiny silver lid, and it's quite sleek. Yeah. Well, hopefully that'll last me a while. Night cream and serums are the things that I run out of all the time. The next item I've got here is a brand I'd never heard of, and it's Mellow Balm Cleanser. And it says, when daily pre-cleanse for sensitive dry skin. Now my skin's neither really sensitive or dry, but a cleanser's a cleanser, isn't it? So that was £21. It says it's got shea butter, mango seed oil, squalene, and your skin goals are clear, hydrated and smooth. And it says here, my routine, mark the step in your routine here, day or night. So there's a little bit here for day or night. Apply a pea-sized amount directly onto dry skin and massage in to dissolve makeup and impurities, and rinse. And continue with cleansing step 2 if preferred. Right, so this is the first one. So I do actually double cleanse. So this is why this is a balm. So I would normally pop this on before my shower, and then in the shower I would use another cleanser. So yeah, I really do like double cleansing. Although I don't know if I could I was going to say, I don't know if I could mix and match, but that's a double cleanse 2-in-1, which I've never seen before. So yep, that was £21. The next item I got here was, I've tried a similar product, but it was the Grow, but this is the Umberto Giannini Scalp Scrub, and it's exfoliating anti-dandruff treatment. Clears and soothes dry, flaky, itchy scalps. There's 200 mils here. It's vegan and cruelty free. It's got no silicones, sulfates or parabens, which is really good if your hair is like mine. So that's that there. I tried the Grow Gorgeous one, which was in the orange container, which was nice. I don't have dandruff, but I do get an itchy, flaky scalp at times. I know I need to drink more water, which usually helps. It has a pineapple enzyme, coconut oil, so that's interesting. It says naturally antioxidant, source of phytonutrients from the pineapple enzymes, increases cell renewal. Now I was watching Prevents New Dandruff. I was watching a programme on TV. Was it a hospital in Edinburgh? Was it St John's, Livingston, just outside Edinburgh? St John's are using pineapple enzymes on burns victims. Now what it does is it's something to do with the skin renewal, so they don't have to cut away the old skin. Now pineapple is one of these fruits, I'm going to freak you out if you don't know this, but pineapple actually eats you. It's got enzymes in it that can eat you. Google it, I swear to God, I'm not making this up. If you ever, I know somebody whose wee kid was eating a pineapple and their mouth became quite red and sore. So they do have enzymes. They're not strong enough to actually eat you from the inside out, but they do start to kind of burn a little bit if you hold it in your mouth for any length of time. So the pineapple enzymes they're using to help, and it gets rid of the dead skin. In a lot of cases, it lets the new skin repair and heal without the need for to do a skin graft. So it gets rid of the dead skin, it prevents a skin graft in a lot of cases, so they're trialling that. So pineapple enzyme is something that I'm really quite interested in. Yeah, the fruit that eats you. So there we go. So that is, how big is this? 200 mils, and it's £9.25. So I was chuffed with that. I actually thought for 200 mils it would have looked bigger. I don't know why, maybe it's just me. The next one is one that I'm always going to get when I see it because I absolutely love it. Oskia London, the Renaissance Cleansing Gel. So that's 35 mils and it's £15. And I think they class this as travel size, but because it's it melts. So it says it's a melting cleanser. It's similar to a balm. You put it onto your dry skin, you massage it in, and then you put some warm water, and it forms like a lot of these balms, like it emulsifies into like a kind of milky liquid. But the smell of this is just gorgeous. So yeah, I would actually probably pay £15 for that if I ran out and I didn't have any in the boxes, because it's such a lovely treat. I save it, but I might need to put one on the go once I finish my other cleansers. So that was £15. Now this one is a brand I have heard of, Anika Organic. Now I've heard of them because I think they do the foundation that you get, the little, is it a kabuki brush, you know, the powdered mineral foundation. I've heard of that. Now this is, I'm going to pronounce it incorrectly, Phytofuse Renew Reservator Eye Cream. So it's vegan and it has 77% organic ingredients. You just squeeze a small amount out. It's got a ceramic tip and you pat it around the eyes. So it's anti-pollution, creates an effective shield against pollution and other daily skin aggressors, and reduces dark circles. It's the first 100% natural, vegan and organic botanical skincare range. So yeah, really interested in that. However, when I looked this up online, it's £47. But if you look at the packaging, it says your gift. So I wonder if this has come free with a set, which is why it's now with Latestinbeauty, because £47 is amazing, and it is a good brand. And I got the price from various different websites. If a website shows a product cheaper, I will always give you the cheaper price. So, but I think this has been a free gift, a very good free gift within it, which is how it's ended up with Latestinbeauty. but that's it there. So I'm really looking forward to trying that. I will open it up so you can see it, and it has the, you see that there? So you could just put it straight onto your skin like that, or you could take it off and pat it in. I think putting it directly onto your skin can cause bacteria to grow and things like that, but it's up to you. If you want to clean it down and use it like that, do what you want. So that's probably what I'll do. Next item I have here is Nail HQ London All-in-One with acai berry and argan oil. So it's a multi-solution for dry, brittle, soft and weak nails, and it's got a nourishing formula. So it's argan oil and mineral complex. And I found this on Beauty Bay for £8, but then I saw it on Amazon for £4.50. So I've just taken the £4.50, and that's the price that I've included in my total. And it's the all-in-one. There we go. So I'm looking forward to popping that on my nails. You'll notice since I've not been doing the panning, I've not really been wearing nail polish. I'm just trying to give my nails a rest. Get them kind of, hopefully try and strengthen them. There we go. So that's that there. And I picked up this little, this tiny little Diddy Laura Mercier. I should have checked the price. I should have checked the size, but it'd be perfect for my handbag. So it's 1.4 grams. However, in John Lewis, if you were to purchase a full size, which is 3.5 grams, it's £22.10. So I thought rather than just split hairs, I just call this £10. There we go. But I love the packaging, and I don't actually mind a little lipstick like this. It's handy for in your handbag, and I'm still using the Bare Minerals one I got last year, and it's small like this. So if hopefully I can open it. Yeah. So I'm going to come to my item that's not the item that I ordered. Why do they put these blooming labels in? They put like a barcode, that's it. So take the barcode off, might be easier. I really love the packaging. I love the Laura Mercier powder, and it is this beautiful rose colour. It's gorgeous, isn't it? I just love the size of that. That's so cute. And that's it there, that gorgeous kind of rosy pink colour, which isn't a colour I wear kind of too often. It's quite more on the pinky tone than I would usually wear. I do wear a nudie kind of pinky colour quite a lot, but that's absolutely gorgeous. So this is an item that I thought they had substituted for the thing that I had ordered. However, when I was chatting to my friend Joe had said, oh, everybody got one of these, it's a freebie. It's the Estee Lauder Ethyl Alcohol Hand Sanitizer. Now there's 200 mils. I haven't actually opened it. Rub on hands till dry, highly flammable. Yeah, be careful where you keep it. Apparently people are keeping these kind of alcohol gels in their car. So it's quite a thick liquid. It's fine. It's not really got a smell to it. So yeah, I knew I didn't order that. I absolutely, I remember seeing it and thinking, oh, I've got plenty of those. But I think what is missing is a NARS, the NARS kind of, is it a lipstick or a lip liner or something? That's missing. So I've contacted them and hopefully they'll kind of get something out to me. But anyway, it's always good to receive a freebie, but not when you're missing an item. And I thought it was a substitution, honestly. I'm glad I checked before I filmed. So the total of my order, not including this and not including my missing item, was £168.75, and all that for what cost me £18. Free postage and packaging. I think is absolutely amazing. So I'll just show you once more. I got the Skin Sense by Abby Cleave, the anti-aging double cleanse, the Mellow Balm cleanser, which is part of the pre-cleanse, the Unica eye cream, which I'm really looking forward to trying, the Oskia Renaissance cleansing gel, which is one of my favourite products, the Umberto Giannini scalp scrub, I used to grow gorgeous scalp scrub this morning, but I'd been kind of scratching my head because I must have cut it, so I was scrubbing it in and it really hurt. The Skin Sense Anti-Aging Night Cream, the Nail HQ London All-in-One, and last but not least, my Laura Mercier, my lovely little lipstick, and my freebie, the Estee Lauder hand sanitizer. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to go and try and find some room for all those products. Catch up with you soon, bye.